Hey, howdy, hey, friends and neighbors. Scott here, and me and my oldest son, who's holding the camera, we are going to make some homemade mustard. Let's look at this plant here. This is just a typical yard weed. This would be called poor man's pepper or pepper grass. It's a member of the mustard family. There are actually several common mustards that are called this, but they're called the same names. But we're going to pick the seeds off. Any spicy mustard family plant will do. And my son's gonna gather these seeds, and we'll go to the next step. There we go, that'll be plenty. We had some more helpers join in too. Hi, helpers. Okay, let's give it a try. This is usually real spicy, so I'm not going to get very much on it. And it's got a bunch of seed chunks because we use the green ones. If you use dried seeds and put them in a herb grinder, you can powder it, and it has a lot better texture. The taste is actually very nice. Not nearly as spicy as I was anticipating. Very pleasant. Yeah, a very pleasant wild mustard. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Hope you make your own. Until next time, keep your eyes up for plants and zombies, and mustards, and kids. Happy foraging.